Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be learning conversion of units. In the Let TOS for Fundamentals of Mathematics, this is the second to the last topic. No, so ngayon, we'll be learning conversion of units in metric system. Tapos in the following weeks, we'll be learning areas, perimeter, volumes. Okay, because that's the last topic in fundamentals of mathematics. So now we will have conversion of units. Okay, so what are the essential skills in learning the particular topic? Of course, you should know what's a metric system and skill to memorize and count. Wow, basic na basic lang po tayo ngayon. The skill in defining or memorizing and counting. Tapos dapat alam mo kung ano ang metric system. Okay? So, first let's convert units of length. But first, let's define what's a metric system. So, a metric system is a system of measurement that uses meter for distance, liter for capacity, and weight, and gram for weight. Okay? So yun po, may tatlo tayo. Meter for distance, liter for capacity or volume, gram for the weight. Okay? And our first task is to convert units of length. So when we talk about length, we talk about meter. Of course, I'll be teaching you how to do it easily. Okay? So this is what I want you to memorize. Or if you don't want to memorize, familiarize. Pero for me, I will memorize para hindi talaga mawala if there will be questions about converting units of length. But this figure, no, kinuha ko lang po ito sa internet. I'll put references below. No, this figure is applicable to all. Sa length, sa weight, at saka sa capacity. Okay? Sa meter, sa gram, at saka sa liter. Okay? So, here, bigger units from the base unit. When you say, maybe you'll ask, what's a base unit? So, that's the meter for length. Diba? Liter for the volume or the capacity. Tapos gram for the weight or the mass. Yan ang mga base unit. When we go to the left, that's the bigger units. Okay? When we go to the right, from the base unit, sige lang, you will know later. These are smaller units. Okay? So, paano yan, sir? Okay, so example, because we're talking about length. So, in metric system, it's the meter. Okay, so we will have this one. Isulat na to, i-rewrite natin ito. Ganito ang pagkasulat, o diba, this is the line, number line. O diba, straight sana yan, guys. Okay, this is the meter, because we're talking about length. So, i-memorize nyo, meter going to the left, decimeter. Ang pagkasulat dyan, dm. dm. Tapos, centimeter, cm. Tapos, millimeter, mm. Okay, familiar? Tapos, going to the left, we have decameter, DAM, hectometer, HM, tapos kilometer, KM. Okay, dapat ganyan for the length, ha? Specific for the length because we're talking about converting units of length. So our base unit is meter. So going down or going to the smaller part, we have from meter, so decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Memorize nyo yan. You have your ways to memorize or familiarize. So meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Sir, bakit importante yan? Kasi later, in converting units of length, ito lang po ang gagamitin natin. We will just move from left to right. Move, 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 move. Ganyan lang. Move, 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 move. How, sir? This is how to do it. Okay, so example, we have convert 10 meters to uh, millimeter. Okay, so 10 meters. Hala, 10 meters. So dito ka sa base unit, 10 meters daw. Tapos, millimeter. So how many times will you go down from the base unit here? Di 1, 2, 3. This is the milli. Do the same. Where is the decimal point? Sa 10. Di ba? Andito? Di ba? Andito? Dito, ang decimal point, that's for 10. So move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And write zeros as placeholders. Okay? So we have 10,000 millimeters. I am basic. Very basic. That's why what I want you, no, to what's it, to carry as your essential skill is memorizing. If you can memorize, familiarize, why not? And counting. Di ba? Basic lang. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan. Sige ha, we will have another example. Convert 12.5 decimeter to kilometer. Okay. So, decimeter, saan yan? Dito yan. Okay. Si DC yan here. I'll use another color. DC. Tapos, papuntang kilometer. So, papuntang left. Papuntang left. Kanina kasi, papuntang right. So, from decimal point, so, pa-right tayo sa 10. Diba? Kasi, 1, 2, 3. So, we'll go to the right as well. 1, 2, 3. Ngayon, DC, saan siya papunta? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times to the left. So, ganyan ang gagawin natin. We will locate our decimal point, which is this, and just move 4 times. Sige daw, 12.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hala ka, basic lang pala, sir. Yes, and that's it. That's 0.00125 kilometers. And that's it. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan lang. Easy, di ba? So what you need to do, memorize. Memorize this, what's this? This illustration, this graph, this figure, I mean. Milli, centi, deci, base unit, deca, hecto, kilo. 6 lang po sila. So dapat hindi mawala sa mind. There, we have just 6. Okay. So example, basic na. Number 1. Okay, let's solve. Convert 4,000 centimeters to meter. So, andito si centimeter. Pa-meter, 1, 2. So, going to the left. So, ilagay natin dito. 1, 2. Ay, sir. So, 4,200 centimeters, sir, is 42 meters. Correct. Well, basic lang, sir. Ay, basic lang. Uy, ganyan lang ka-easy talaga if we're talking about the metric system for length. We're talking about meters only. Later in my following videos, no, we'll be discussing different, what's this? Unit. But now we're talking about meters. That's why it's just easy. So convert 15 kilometers to meters. Kilometers to meters. So mag-change ako ng color ha para iba naman. Kilo, 1, 2, 3. This is the base. So 3 to the right, sir. 1, 2, 3. Ganyan, sir. Yes, it's 20,150 meters. That's it. Ay, kang easy, sir. Yes. Easy lang talaga. Hashtag easy. I love to learn math. Okay, di ba? Okay, let's have number 3. 2.33 meters is what in kilometers? So, meters na naman tayo. So, let's use violet. Meters. Dito kasi si base. So, 2 kilometers. 1, 2, 3. 3, sir. So, 3 times to the left. 1, 2, 3. So, that's it. It's point. Oh, it's millimeter. It's millimeter. O sige, Kasi parang may nag-correction sa akin sa mga viewers, no? Yes, it's not meter, it's millimeter. So, let's erase muna. Okay. So let's have this one. It's 2.33. 2.33 millimeter. So, millimeter going to, let's use yellow. Kilometer, grabe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, dapat 6 times ka mag-move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dito na lang natin ha. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hala, so ang raming zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the answer. 0.0000233 kilometers. Di ba? No need for calculator. You will just move from left to right or right to left. Okay? So, I'll give you number 4. And let's solve pala number 4 before you will have your assignment. No. Okay, for number 4, convert 8, number 4, 8 kilometer and 32 meters to kilometers. Okay, parang ano bang ibig sabihin sa question? Ang ibig sabihin sa question, i-write lang ito in 1. So put this 8 kilometers and 32 meters in 1 para maging kilometer na siya. So ano ang style? May 8 kilometers na tayo. So, sure na tayo na may 8 kilometers. So, ang 32 meters na lang ang i-move natin. Uy! Ang 32 meters. So, let's erase muna here sa mga, okay? Then, let's write. Okay. So, it's meter now. So, this is the base unit going to kilometer. 1, 2, 3. So, we're talking about 32 meter. So, going to the left, 1, 2, 3. So, put 0. 32 meters is just 0.032 kilometers. Ay pwede nang ma-combine. 8 plus 0.032 is 8.032 kilometers. And that's it. That's just what the question wants. Ganyan lang. Kinumbine lang natin. Di ba? Ganyan lang po ka-basic. So, memorize, familiarize, millimeter, decimeter. Oh, no, di ba? Hindi ko pa memorize. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, the base unit, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Okay, close your eyes. Join with me while I say it from the leftmost to the right. From the rightmost to the left. Go. Millimeter, decimeter. I forgot. Millimeter. Ay, nako. Sige, again. 'Di ba? Normal lang po tayo. May times na makamemorize agad, may times na hindi. Sinti pala. Huwag kalimutan si Sinti for 100. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. And that's it. Okay. Why did I tell you to memorize or familiarize? Because that's also needed. Okay, so now, for converting units of weight or mass, so we talk about grams. Pero like what I said, gamit lang po ang concept na ito. This illustration. So memorize again, familiarize. We will use gram now. Milligram, centigram, decigram, gram. Decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Again, faster. Milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. And that's it. Same concept lang po kanina. So, paano po yan, sir? So, this is just the same as like this. O, diba? Ay, ang difficult mag-engineering kasi line lang hindi ko makuha, no? Okay? So, let's have this one. So, gram na ang ating base unit. So, dito ay decigram. Dito, centigram. Dito, milligram. Tapos, going to the left, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. And our examples, of course, will follow the same. Okay? So, like this. So, in the questions, the same pa rin. So, convert 525 centigram to, ganyan usually, milligram. Okay, so we will just move. Dito si centigram to milligram. So, saan yan papunta? It's going to the right one time. So, just move. This is the decimal point dyan. So, just move 1 to the right. Kasi right din ang movement mo here. So, it's 5,250 milligrams. Ay, basic lang pala, sir. Ma-perfect pala ako kung conversion lang. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Of course. Basic na basic lang. Hashtag I love to learn math. Hashtag easy, easy, easy lang. Diba? Number 2. This is number 1. Number 2, 20.15 kilograms to grams. Oh, so kilograms to grams. 1, 2, 3. This is the base unit now, gram. 3 units, sir, to the left. So, to the left ba yun? Ano ba ako, uy? To the right. Mabuti na lang parang may nag-correction sa akin sa mga viewers. Parang na-foresee ko talaga. So, 1, 2, 3. To the right. To dapat right din. 1, 2, 3. So, lagyan ng 0 kasi kasama siya. So, 20,150 grams. Ganyan. Ganyan na ganyan lang po. O, sige, let's go directly to number 3. Ay, kabasic lang pala, sir. Super. 2.33 milligrams to grams. Milligrams, so ito, si M to, 2 grams. Sa base, 1, 2, 3. 3 din, sir, pero going to the left. So, move to the left. 1, 2, 3. So, lagyan ng 0. So, it's 0.0233 gram. Ganyan. Ganyan na ganyan, ganyan na ganyan lang po. Okay, for question number 4, this is kilogram. Buti na lang may nag-correction sa akin ng viewer ngayon lang, no? Kaya na-edit ko din. Okay, so number 4, 9 kilograms. So, the same concept kanina. May 9 kilograms na tayo. May kilograms na ang hinahanap natin. So, si 50 grams na lang. So, si 50 grams to kilograms. So, grams to kilograms, 1, 2, 3. So, move 3 times from the decimal point to the left. 1, 2, 3. So, it's 0.05. Hence, answer number 4 is 9 plus 0.50 or 9.050 kilograms. Basic lang pala, sir. Basic. Though in the examinations, in the civil service exam, in the entrance examinations, scholarship examinations, or LET examination, there will be questions, no, about this, pero in word problems. But don't worry, because if you memorize or you familiarize the movement, because if we're just talking here the metric unit, no, then it's just easy. Nilagay lang sa mga words, nilagay lang sa mga flowering sentences, at saka phrases, pero the concept is just like this. Now let's talk about converting units of capacity or volume. If we talk about capacity or volume, in metric system, we have liters. So the same concept pa rin, di ba? If you know how to convert units of length, meters, unit of what's this? Mass or weight, the gram. Now, of course, easy lang po for the liters. This is the third lesson, no? Parang third lesson na. So, kung si liter dito, basic unit, so we have deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Dito, decaliter, hectoliter, and kiloliter. Ganyan. Ganyan lang po pala ka-basic. So, the same po ang concept. Move, 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 move. Ganyan. Move to the left, move to the right. If you have the mastery na no already in converting units of length, in converting units of mass or weight, this is just the same. Okay, so we will just still solve examples. Okay, example number 1. Convert 525 milli, okay, it's 525 25 milliliter to kiloliter. Okay, so ano nga ang weight? Milliliter. Hala, parang ang taas, sir. Ang haba. From the left and the right, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, sir. Yes, and it's 525. The decimal point is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So lagyan lang ng tatlong 0. And that's it. 0.00525 kiloliters. Diba? Ang basic lang. The same lang po ang concept. So huwag kalimutan milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, base unit, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. Move lang po ng move. Ha? And we're just talking about metric system for volume or capacity. For number 2, 20.15 liters to ml. So liters here, we have, this is the base unit going to the left or right? Pa ml. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times to the right. So the same. 3 times to the right using the decimal point 1, 2, 3. So it's 20,150 ml, sir. Correct. Correct na correct po. Diba? Basic na basic lang pala. Wow, close your eyes. Give me your hands. I mean, I love to learn math. I love to learn math. I love to learn math. Ganyan lang. Number 3. Okay? We have 2.33 hectoliter to deciliter. Hala, so si hecto, 1, 2, 3. 3 times her to the right. So the same concept. 1, 2, 3. And it's 2,330 deciliter. Wow, basic. Basic na basic. Wow, I'll be the top-notcher na sa exam na ititake ko. God bless you. Sana nga. Kung hindi man, at least you will pass the examination. Hopefully, let's pray for that. For number 4, the same concept kanina. Diba? So, on 10 kilograms and 50, no, not grams. 10 kiloliters and 50 hectoliters daw to kiloliters alone. So, again, 10 kiloliters na. So, okay, safe na siya. Okay na, may 10 kiloliters na tayo. So, ang i-convert na lang natin is to 50 hectoliter to kiloliter. So, ilang move? 1. So, it's 1 move to the left. So, it's 1 move to the left. Tingnan nyo. 1, di ba? Dito ang decimal point. So, 1. So, 50 hectoliter is 5 kiloliters. So, 10 plus 5, it's 15 kiloliters. And that's it. Basic na basic na basic lang po ang concept. Basta lang, okay, bilisan, millicinti dc base, deka hecto kilo, ganyan. Tapos, kung ano man, kung unit of length, meters. Kung unit of mass or weight, grams. Kung unit of capacity or volume, liters. But the same concept lang po. Kung ito lang po ang questions, the same unit of measure, the metric system, move lang po. Move, and move. Ready, sing within my heart. Okay, ganyan lang po ka-basic. So, I want you to solve this at home, and I want you to comment your answers, no, in the chat box. Congratulations in advance. Bye-bye!